Hello everybody, here we are, new job. I started this hole already, but I only have one hole dug out with a machine here, and the rest of it are hard and lots of rocks. So from here all the way to the end it has to be hand dig, which is fun. And before I didn't video about clear this one here, all the bushes, all these little weeds growing up right onto the boundary where I'm doing my fence, and I can't run my string line without clearing it, so I cleared it first. I'm just having a rest and I can continue digging by hand. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes to do, because on that end I have to leave the other 3 out because there's the builder skip bin inside, and once that's out, and I can now continue digging the rest of those 3 holes over there. Over here in this job I will have a gate installed, but not on this footpath. It will be here. It's 2 opening gates. I'll keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm hoping I can finish these holes without any trouble. So here we are. We've dug 6 of them in the right depth. I've got other 2. That's only 300. That's only 300, and I need it 850 from the string line down. But I'm lucky enough. I have to put water in. Lucky enough that it went soft a little bit for my blade, auger blade, to come down a bit more. That's that one there, that's finished as well here. And I've got 3 more posts to do over here. Because of the skip bin I can't put post, but tomorrow I might just dig that out and get it ready for the post and connect, so I can connect it there. Yeah, so I'll just have to come back tomorrow. Yeah, see, connect over there. I don't know why they have to use timber here. I think I have to use timber on the other end too. Okay, and that's that. I'll do it again tomorrow. We are finished. 28 meters, good neighbor fence. We have our friend here, Larry, cleaning it for us. Just a little bit of touch up. All we have to do now is just to do the gate. So we have put the post in. We'll get it dry overnight. That. So this will be a double gate. Open in the middle. And there's a gap here. We'll just install a little good neighbor like that over here. Because we were supposed to put the gate over here, but it will hit all these boxes and we can't post and we can't open it. It hits everything. So we decided to put good neighbor here, just fence it up, and a big opening for the gate. And that's what the client wants in a way, a big opening gate. And it come up nice. Ground is very hard. All this temporary fence will go and the builder will take that down for us. It's nice. Alright, everybody, see you in the next one. Bye.